Hi, and welcome to Lala's World. Today we're going to learn how to use Signal, the secure messaging service. Signal uses state-of-the-art end-to-end encryption to keep conversations extremely secure. They can't read your messages or listen to your calls, and no one else can either. Signal has gained popularity thanks to their top-of-the-line encryption, and the fact that they are an independent nonprofit. They are not tied to any major tech companies, so your messages stay private. Let's begin by downloading the app. Go to your app store of choice and search for Signal. Download the app, then open it. You'll then be brought to this screen. Hit continue, and give Signal the permissions it asks for. You'll then need to enter a phone number to receive a verification text to open the account. Enter the code it gives you in the text. You'll then need to enter your first and last name. You can also add a profile picture here if you would like. You'll then be prompted to create a PIN for your account. Enter a PIN and be sure to remember it, as you use it to restore your profile settings and contacts if you reinstall the app. After that, you'll be brought to the home screen. You'll see a search bar at the top, your profile in the top left, a blue button at the bottom right, and above that, a camera button. To begin a new conversation, you can tap the search button at the top of the screen and search for a contact. Type a message and hit send. Your message will then be encrypted and sent to the user you are messaging. To send a photo or video, tap the camera icon above the new chat button. You can then tap the circle to send a picture or hold it down to send a video. You can then customize it by drawing over it, blurring out certain parts of the photo, or adding text. You then click the recipient and send the photo. You can also securely call or video call a user by tapping one of the two buttons at the top of the chat. You then click Start Call, and you will begin a call to the other user. You can also choose to have your messages disappear after a certain amount of time. Just tap the three dots in the top right of the screen and tap Disappearing Messages. You can then choose how long you want your messages to stay on the other user's phone. Now when you send a chat, it will disappear in the amount of time you specified. To start a group chat, you just tap the button at the bottom left of the screen and enter two users that also use Signal. You can text, call, and video call group chats. In any kind of chat, you can send a variety of file types. You can send photos on your machine, GIFs from the website Giphy, animated stickers, and any file on your phone such as PDFs, audio, video files, and documents. You can invite new users to Signal by tapping the icon in the bottom right and copying the link it gives you. If we go to Settings, you'll see a variety of options to choose from. The first allows you to set Signal as your default messaging app if you'd like. This means you can send just regular SMS messages through the Signal app. The second option allows you to adjust notification settings, such as the sound, color, and vibrations of the notifications. The third allows you to tweak your privacy settings, such as screen and keyboard security, read receipts, PIN settings, and many others. The next is Appearance, where you can set a theme and adjust your language. Chats and Media allows you to tweak when to use mobile data, back up your chats, and adjust media settings. Storage shows how much storage the app has used on your machine and allows you to adjust message history. Link Devices allows you to link a tablet or computer to your Signal account so you can text on any platform. That is a brief rundown of the Signal messaging service. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.